look 10 years younger in less than an hour. We're going to be showing you the Y lift procedure.
You're watching the Fox 5 Morning News at 8.
What if I could tell you that you could look 10 years younger under an hour? Under an hour. You don't need anesthesia, you don't need stitches, you don't need swelling, you don't have that surgery. Instant results, right? With us this morning, Dr. Eugene Nowak, board-certified dermatologist, and also his patient, Susan Dent. They're here to tell us about the Y lift. Doctor, good morning. Thank you for being here.
Thank you for having us.
The Y lift. I am all ears. I'm ready to do anything. As we age, as people age, our faces, they just naturally change, doctor.
Yeah, so as the maturing process happens, we're really losing volume. That's the biggest problem. So we're losing bone structure in the areas. We lose the muscles, get a little bit thinner, and the fat gets redeposited. But it's really more of a volume problem. We don't necessarily grow more skin, but because we are shrinking and getting smaller, we do look or appear like we have extra skin.
Okay, so that's what it looks like when you're a newborn, 5 years, 14 years adult, and then, oh wow, what a change when you're...
So the big change is there from that adult sequence there to the elderly. So it doesn't happen overnight, but we are slowly shrinking. You look around the eyes, that orbital area, we lose the bone structure here, and we lose this jawline.
So it's underneath a lot of this stuff that's happening.
It's underneath.
What is the Y lift exactly, and how does it help?
So the Y lift is a revolutionary procedure. It's using filler products, Voluma and Juvederm products that we've used for years in other areas, but the key is placing the product in the right location, placing it actually underneath the muscles. So this bone structure is going away. Okay? And so it's no longer supporting the muscles in the skin. So this Y lift procedure, we're able to place the products deep down, supporting the bone, supporting the muscles, supporting the skin, and place it in these areas that we've never been able to do this before.
So it's using the products that are already out there.
The products are out there. They're FDA approved.
Like that, the Y lift is a technique to be able to create the look that you're looking for, to look youthful.
Yes. So it's fascinating.
Yeah,
so it's placing the product, like I said. If you put this product just underneath the skin with the amount that we're using, it wouldn't look natural. But, you know, we see Susan and it looks amazing.
I want to talk to Susan because I have so many questions. I'm sure you do too. Susan, you did the Y lift.
I did.
You look great.
I did
by the way.
5 weeks ago.
5 weeks ago. Okay, can we show what Susan, I think we have a picture of what you look like before you did the Y lift. Okay, so this is before. Oh, see, I'm already starting to get that.
Yeah.
Okay, and that's 3 days after?
3 days later with absolutely no bruising. A little bit of pain in the jaw, just slightly for the first 3 days. But as you can see, he turned back the clock on my face.
Did it hurt?
No, not at all. There's a couple little sites where you just feel the pressure of the volume being put in. But no, just like I said, just a little bit on the jaw for the first 3 days, and that was it.
And that's, I'm assuming, changed your life.
Oh, well, I look closer to 40 than I do 60 now. I'm 56.
You're 56 years old?
Yeah,
You look
so
great.
that's what he did. That's how I feel. He just turned back the clock.
Okay, doctor, now here are all my questions. How much does it cost? How long does it last? How many times do I have to come in and maintain it? And when can I go back to work?
So literally we had people that were back to work the next day, and really their coworkers didn't know anything.
Okay.
How long does it last? So the treatment, the procedure itself is going to last 1 to 3 years.
Okay.
But the goal is not to just get Susan looking great to start with. The goal is to maintain this. And just like we go to get her hair cut, or we go to dentist to get our teeth taken care of, we're going to take care of our Y lift and her skin also. So she'll come in, somewhere around a year. We'll do a couple little booster injections, and she'll never need a full Y lift procedure again as long as she does that.
How much do I need to borrow from Raul to do this?
So the cost is really based on the area. So sometimes we'll just need a lower or upper area, and that'll be less expensive. A full procedure, that's going to be in the $6,000 to $8,000.
$6,000 to $8,000.
So $4,000 to $8,000 if we're just doing smaller areas, $6,000 to $8,000 if we're doing a full procedure.
I love it. Well, thank you for being here.
But compared to a facelift.
Yeah. Compared to a facelift.
Compared to a facelift.
No scars.
I had a patient the other day,
I know,
$25,000 is what she was quoted.
I know. We appreciate you being here. We'll get the information up for our friends that are watching at home that are interested. Fox5sandiego.com. Click the Seen On tab. Raul, get out your checkbook.
Get it, Raul.